use PDF files in our daily lives for purposes like reading an ebook, taking care of bills, transferring important documents, etc. It's one of the most efficient, reliable and portable file type that has become a widely accepted go-to choice for electronic documents. Generally, we treat Microsoft Word files and PDF files differently. We avoid using the PDF format, which ensures that documents look just the same on each screen due to the issue involved with the editing part. To solve this problem, Wondershare has created PDFelement 6 Pro. It comes with tons of options that you can use to edit PDF files. You can use the software to perform operations like create, open, annotate, edit, organize, share, protect, convert, etc. So let's see how it works. PDF documents are normally considered read-only. PDFelement empowers you to edit the text of a PDF, mark up the document by highlighting, draw and write pop-up notes, create PDF forms, and even record pages. With the help of a scanner, it will also help you to create PDFs from paper documents. Let me show you how. Moving, deleting or rotating pages in a PDF or combining PDFs are the tasks I most often do on a day-to-day basis. You can do this with free software, but it's a pain, especially when all you want to do is splice two scanned pages together and fire it off in an email before you run out the door. PDFelement lets you edit text and object directly in the PDFs. For PDFs that were generated electronically, for example a Word doc, spreadsheet or web page that was printed to PDF, modifying text and images is incredibly easy for PDFelement. Click the edit text button and the PDF magically turns into an editable document, letting you type directly into the PDF. The font even matches. In addition to editing existing text and images, you can add new text and images also. It's almost like you are editing in Word. The annotate feature are handy for collaborating and reviewing documents. You can add boxes, notes, highlights, stamps, arrows, underlines and inserts. When Adobe Acrobat started supporting conversion of PDFs to editable documents like Word document and Excel spreadsheets, I thought it was black magic. So I was pleasantly surprised to see that PDFelement has this feature as well. You can convert to the usual like Word, Excel, PPT, image, text and some more obscure formats. For clean documents that were generated from electronic files originally, the conversion is simple. For scanned documents, it's a bit tricky. Converting from one file format to PDF isn't as groundbreaking of a feature, but PDFelement still does it well. You can drag and drop files into PDFelement window and it will convert immediately. PDFelement distinguishes itself as a professional PDF editor by offering protection and security features and redaction. You can password protect PDFs and sign and validate signatures too. If you password protect a PDF, you will need a password to access it, even if you use a program other than PDFelement to open it. Here is another neat feature, search and redact. You can search on a term and redact each instance. This is handy if you want to blank out sensitive information or confidential data like social security number, contact information or names. Wondershare PDFelement 6 Pro also does a wonderful job with their integrated OCR scanning software. It scans flawless and fast. It supports a huge list of supported languages, which makes it useful for most. The scan result can be exported in a number of formats. The tool price starts at $59.95 for a standard version. However, if you're a Mac user, you can get it for $39.97 and $59.97 for Pro version. It's also 40% off now at the time of making this video. I found the rates to be significantly low than its competitors and offering, if not better, a similar set of features. PDFelement is a versatile PDF editor that works just like it advertises. You get the ability to edit PDF files just like a Word document. Wondershare PDFelement is an impressive PDF solution for professional use and you can download it using the links in the description down below. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, then do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.